Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned a people which will emerge from his ummah. They will appear when there will occur dissension among the people. Their identification sign will be to shave heads, and they will be the worst of the creatures. Of the two groups, that groups of people will kill him, which will be closer to the truth. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then gave the example of those people, saying, when a man shoots an arrow at a game or aim, he looks at the wing but finds nothing. He then casts his glance at the wood of the arrow but finds no sign. Then he looked at that part which is between his thumb and finger but finds no sign. Hazrat Abu Sa'id radiyallahu anhu then said, O the Iraqis, you have killed them. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2454.